500 Kelly Mill Road, Bogging and Rivet, I think, apartment 159. They cleaned the carpets, but they did leave stuff, just that. And the blind is broken. And cover up the holes. But the windows are clean and everything. Out the here is clean. There's 159. Let me hit the bedroom first. Carpets are clean. Bathroom's clean. This is move-in ready. They did a good job. Good, 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 good. They did miss on a few things. That's clean. Okay. Whoops, let me look back here. Okay. Like I said, that blind's broken over there. This is all clean. They forgot the drill pans. I told them to change them out. They gotta have clean, but they did clean underneath. Just didn't. The drill pans. Okay, that's working. Oh, I made that mess. That's my fault right there. I gotta get those drill pans out. It's a little dirty. And right there. Fridge is clean. All that's clean. Underneath there, that's clean. Okay. Counter sinks are clean. There's a little staining there. Okay. And that's got a dirty spot on it. Other than that, it's just the drill pans, yo. All right. Bye.